Good evening.
Okay.
One more question, sir. Because you are a language teacher, but you are more connected with, more uh, motivated for to just use technology in learning and teaching. So kindly share your, uh, I may say, how you are using technology in day-to-day life, and just share your journey with technology actually, sir. Because you are
Yes.
also
Y-
a
Yes,
winner
good
of
question.
National
Yeah,
ICT Award.
yeah. I have already shared you that I was forcefully into this profession, but my dream was to become an engineer, like computer engineer. But
Okay.
when I have chosen this, I wanted to include all my technological skill and my computer knowledge into the profession of teaching. With that, I have started the journey of teaching my children the usage of computers since 2004 itself in an effective way. I could make my students to think of using technology in an effective way. And I have carried my desktop computer to my schools through autos, and I could remember those days. And integrating technology really helps our children to visualize the abstract concepts. Like I could say, they can easily make abstract into concrete concepts when we make certain models, like which I have shown you, like cell. When you show them in the microscope, also they'll make it like a small one. But when you create a 3D model like this, it will give them a first-hand experience of how to visualize what is there inside the cell and other things. I can also share you one incident which happened in my classroom. Like when I was showing the cross cut of onion by keeping it on the slide, and they were not able to see it clearly. But when I have taken snaps of that by clicking on, by keeping my mobile phone on the eye view of the microscope, I could get a clear picture. And I have taken those pictures and I have made it into a PowerPoint presentation, and I have played it in interactive whiteboard. So what will be the bigger screen will be better. So it is easy when you show it on a bigger screen. All the students can at once see that. So when you makes each one to see in the eye view piece, it will be difficult for them. So I think including technology decreases the labor of the teacher, as well as it transacts any of the content to the students in an effective way is my thing. And when you see the Google Form test which I've created for developing GK, and in my mother tongue also, I have made use of this Google Forms, and we have created tests, and we also make students to make use of this test as a remote learning. And we also make use of this for blended learning some of the times. And I always make students to go with this remedial teaching as well, because concentrating on the toppers or the gifted students is not only the duty of a teacher, but concentrating students who are in need of the help of the teacher. So almost I use and select students for remediation as well. And this is how my journey of technology integration started, and it's going on still today. And I have also
So
trained many teachers in using technology in their classrooms, and they got inspired. And I should mention many names like Gopinath and Kartigi and Vijay Kumar, Ananda Kannan, Chitra. So many are using it in their classrooms very effectively. Lakshmikant and other teachers, many are using it effectively in their classrooms.
So the
Jagan
biggest
and
learning from
Satish.
this corona, yeah,
Yeah.
yes, sir,
Okay,
continue.
sir.
Sir. So
Yeah,
biggest
we can
learning
proceed with it. Yeah.
during this corona crisis is we have to learn the technique to use the technology, and especially
Yes,
when you are not in directly contact with your students, and
students.
you have
Yeah.
to just be engaged, just to engage them through remote learning. So, if you were to give advice to your fellow teachers, what would we do?
Yes, the advice, I could not say that advice, but I can share my experience to the teachers. Like, I can say two things. Always don't transact the goods which are in the textbook, but plan it in a way how the children are in need of that is one thing. Another thing is that don't follow anyone. And I will also tell to my students is that stop following and start exploring is the slogan which I wanted to say to anyone, maybe a student or the teacher, because each one has a unique talent. When they explore what is their innate talent, and if they develop their own talent, then they can shine in their lives, is the thing which I wanted to share.
Uh, can you share a few more intervention you did in your school campus with students or
Yeah. Apart from teaching technology and language development, I wanted to say and concentrate on the UNESCO's global goals, which are very, very important. I have almost covered the goals which are shared on the left side. I covered 10 SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, in my classroom. Let me share like planting trees around my school. I have taken initiatives. For that, I have made like some college students friends from France have visited my school, and we have made them to plant saplings around the campus. And it is how I can make my school a green covering. And we water the plants, and I also create some kitchen gardens in front of my school. And this is how greenery is very, very important to serve the earth as a green planet. And next is water. And water testing camp was conducted in our school with the Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan, and this is how we
your voice is breaking, sir. Hello.
and I have created and they, one second. Mobile era?
Yes, sir.
Eppa musiriville means. Hey, na mobile era?
So, go ahead, sir. Now you
Is
are
it
audible.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Is my voice okay, sir, now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is how I have made integration of green planet and water. And apart from that, life skill education is very, very important. We train students in life skill as well, and experiencing experiential learning inside the classroom by bringing in real things inside the classroom, and many things I have shared like this, taking students to nearby colleges, and they have experienced anatomy lab and medical college and other things like this. And I wanted to talk about the virtual tools which I have brought inside my classroom. This is how we have collaborated France and US as well. And the integration of AR and VR into classroom brings in the real world to the classroom. This is about sight word practice, which materials which I have given. And apart from that, I have conducted researchers with us. This is another interesting project I wish to share about is gamified grammar, where students enjoy playing games online, and I have also taken them to the playground to play and learn grammar. For this
Wow.
also, I have received NCRT's Innovative Practices National Award in the year 2019. This is where is my project submission I should share. And for Microsoft also, in education, I have done some projects called this is with collaboration with other partners as well. This is not an individual project. Here I have listed out some tools which are useful for differently abled, especially for physically challenged. What are the tools? Visually challenged, hearing impaired, and others. I have made it as a project called MAT, Microsoft Accessibility Tools. And this is the next project, which is very, very important. When we concentrate on technology, we leave the values, but we emphasize on giving importance to the values. This is the project for improving values among children, and we have made this project collaboratively. These are the persons whom we collaborated at the best teachers from other states of India, and we made this project name as Oxygenated Classroom, where we have developed students to use technology in order to make their values. This is the project, and we have included 5,000 students across the country for this project. And this is the ICT Mela presentation in NCRT, which I wanted to share. And this is about the co-scholastic activities which I train in my school for the students. I give them dance practice. We help them in creativity. Articles were published in Kids Magazine. And I also train them in drawing, and I have made them to reach state level winners. And I teach them crafts, clay modeling, SUPW, and yoga as well.